Hi, second graders. Miss Linder here. Today is Monday, May 11th. Today, our science topic is talking about families and traits. So, if you're watching this and you didn't partake in the live lesson, you need to listen to this link down here. It's me reading a book. And then, after you do that, come back to this slide. You are then going to draw a bubble chart in your science notebook or a piece of paper, just like this. You're going to write the name of the animal pictured in the center of the circle. So this is the picture. This is the name of the animal. So you would put woodpecker right here. And then in the other circles, you're going to write down the traits that this animal shares with other animals in the group. So like other birds. So for example, in one of these circles, you would write or could write that they all have beaks. So you could put beaks in there. I'll show you also exactly what you're going to do. So I'm going to make my chart, draw a circle out. It's not going to be the greatest drawing, but you'll get the idea of it. All right. Fix some of my lines a little bit. So we're going to put the word, so we're going to put woodpecker in the circle. And then we're going to put the shared traits it would have. So we put the beaks. So we can put beaks in this. Okay, and then you would just fill out the rest of the circles on your own. That's just an example. Again, make sure you watch the link below right here to listen to the book. The book gives examples too of what it shares with other birds as well. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out to any second grade teacher. Make sure you are sending this work product in, the picture of this web, to your teacher, whether it be Class Dojo, Parent Square, or just emailing, or if you can send them a text. And we'll see you next time.